What if your phone could handle the repetition, while every decision stayed yours? Open the app, find the control, type the text, check it, post it. Tomorrow repeat every step. Meet OpenAlly app automations for Android. With Aster by OpenAlly connected, your assistant can build a routine, you can inspect it, and your phone can replay it through the apps you choose. Choose the target apps. Give the automation a name. Then describe the outcome in plain language. Start with one of 5 preloaded routines. Build it from your goal with AI, or define every action step by step. For this one, the goal is simple. Turn today's launch notes into a concise LinkedIn post and ask me before it goes live. OpenAlly opens LinkedIn and works toward that goal one action at a time. Then it gives you the captured sequence to review. Every launch, tap, text field, wait, and check is visible. Save it or discard it. Nothing replays until you decide. Now decide what each text field means. Fixed for words that stay the same. Ask each run for today's input. AI written when you want your chosen model to draft. When a captured value becomes an input or an AI draft, OpenAlly replaces the literal with a placeholder. The routine keeps the structure, not yesterday's words. On the Run tab, enter today's topic. And keep Ask Me Before It Posts turned on. Your assistant creates 3 drafts and puts them on your phone. Choose one. Edit it or reject it. The approved text becomes the value the flow will type. Tap Run now. A teal border makes screen control unmistakable. The footer tells you what is happening, and Stop stays within reach. OpenAlly opens LinkedIn, finds the composer, enters the approved draft, publishes, and verifies that the composer has closed. A brittle macro remembers where you tapped. OpenAlly also preserves what the step was meant to find. If a saved control moves, the runtime looks again. If it still cannot resolve the target, your assistant uses the saved intent to find the live control, repairs that selector, and resumes. The working fix is stored for the next run. Recovery is capped, so a step that cannot be repaired returns control to you instead of looping forever. Every run leaves a readable timeline. What started, what completed, where it self-healed, when it handed off, and how it ended. Health is based on that evidence. Draft, improving, ready. Needs attention. Along with reliability and concrete ways to make the routine stronger. Preloaded flows can post to X, search and play on YouTube, summarize Instagram activity, or prepare an Uber ride. You can also build a routine across several allowed apps. In the Uber template, the final step is an explicit payment handoff. OpenAlly leaves Uber in front of you, shows the handoff message, and lets you review the fare and confirm payment yourself. At a detected sign-in wall, the automation pauses before acting. You enter the password directly in the app. It does not type the credential. When the wall clears, the routine can continue. And Stop means stop. Use it inside OpenAlly, on the live overlay, or from the persistent control notification. The active run ends and the control session is severed. Only the device owner can author or run these flows. The automation and its run history stay in a local store on your Android. AI work goes through the model you chose. When a routine is proven ready, export it, share it, or publish it to the community hub. Imported routines stay locked until you review and approve their steps. OpenAlly app automations. Describe the outcome once. Review the path. Let your phone handle the repetition. And keep the decisions that matter.